Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to get you top dollar? Hi, I'm Michelle Kelley with RockStar Realty, powered by EXP. Look, I have sold hundreds of homes, so I know what I'm talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, or trees, new trim and door paint, or possibly even a new paint job. You need to hire someone that cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean real deep cleaning. Baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscaping, change out old light bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green, or is it yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted in a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, red brick walls with mismatched paint do not qualify for selling for top dollar, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean, or are they 10 years old and have been cleaned 15 times? Once it rains or people walk over them a few times, well, the truth comes out. This isn't going to cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? What about your lot? Does your lot compare to the 1.5 acre lot that's up the street? You see, all of this matters. Now, this is a big one, the smell test. I'm sure you may not realize this, but do you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, that's right, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it's true. We all love our pets. In fact, my little pup, Cooper, goes everywhere with me. But do our beloved fur babies bring in a certain scent to our home? What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you're used to? But if somebody else came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to the competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks they have the best home on the entire block. Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. So I challenge you to take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house in the market right now and sell it for top dollar. Or if you need to make a few changes. P.S. Most of us have to make changes. Oh my goodness, if I had to sell my home right now, I would have a honey to-do list for days. Call me and I will advise you on the proper steps you need to make to get your home showroom ready so we can sell it for top dollar. As always, Michelle Kelley with RockStar Realty, powered by EXP. When you do what you love, people love what you do.